So here's one kick-ass lead generation hack called DIY. Yes, do it yourself, especially if you are just starting out. Referral marketing is good where one client refers you to the other, but the process is so slow, literally Bhagwan Bharose. In the times of social media, there's nothing that should stop you from putting yourself up there online and marketing yourself. Especially like I said, if you're starting out, you don't have marketing budgets. And even if you do hire a marketing agency, there's no surety month on month you're going to get conversions. So, learn to run Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube ads yourself. Master it. And when you have a bag of clients, you may outsource it, the marketing, to a marketing agency. And you'll be in a better position to instruct a marketing agency because now you've mastered it. Hi, I'm Arrshie, an interior design business coach, and for the past 17 years, I have completed over 100 projects successfully. And now I'm here to help budding interior designers set up, skill up, and scale up their businesses. Like, share, and watch this space for more videos on the business of interior design.